Ballari, Tirupati district in Andhra Pradesh. My project idea: water pollution. Water pollution. 71% earth surface covered by water. 97% seawater present in sea. Salt water. 3% fresh water found in areas. Functions: domestic, industry, agriculture, reactions, and safety and security. Water is 70% human body content, 30 to 40% more mass. Alternate of 10% body content health problem. Alternate of 20% body content death. Introduction: water pollution is one of most problem with which animals and humans are facing. Types of water pollution: surface water pollution, groundwater pollution, chemical pollution, nutrient pollution, oxygen depletion pollution. Effects of water pollution. Death aquatic animals. Animals are include water animals. They when water polluted in various types. Animals are also affected by soil waste thrown into water bodies as they harm and them in many ways. Effect of human beings. Use unsafe water sickness. About 1 billion people. Diseases affected by cholera and typhoid.
Just to reduce like bleach, paint and anemia should be disposed properly, and many of household chemical can be recycled. Dispose of medical waste properly. Never flush medicines down the toilet, and never dump them in the nearest pond or creek. Eat more organic food. Eating organic reduce the amount